How to view and edit files with Foldie links. With Foldie links, you can create links to files and folders. In this lesson, we explore how to make use of those links. I have a project folder in the Files app, and I've used Foldie to create links to some of the files. Some files are for reference only. Some files I want to edit. As long as I stay within Foldie, I can view but cannot edit the file. Let's say I want to annotate some topic. Then I have to show it in Files first. Open an editor app. And there I can edit and save the files in place. Now I want to see the presentation. I can preview it with Foldie, but to edit it, I first show it in Files and then edit it with the Keynote app. There are the changes. Remember, you can view a file with Foldie, but you need another app to edit it.